Hi. Oops, sorry. I touched the phone. I touched the device. Anyways, this is Mary Kay with your Artful Journey. And I decided to get the Biggun out. And I got some Happy Mail. And of course, what did I do? Leave it in the other room. Anyways, so I've gotten some Happy Mail. And I want to add it to this, to the Biggun. So let's see what we can do with that. So let me see what I did with my Happy Mail. I got it from Malia. I think that's where I got it from. Let me see if I can locate it there. I don't know. So maybe I should just clear this one off because I don't know. Anyways, maybe we'll just work with what's on my desk. Because that's the way I do it. That's the way I roll. So, let's see here. We can use the ink pad and use a punch out as a stencil. And just do that. Or we can use this. So it doesn't move, and create some flowers on this. So the more you pounce on your ink pad, the more ink, of course, you get on your sponge. And the more you get on your sponge, the more it goes on the paper. So pounce your ink pad, pounce your paper, 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 pounce your ink pad, pounce your paper. So the darker it gets, isn't that clear and dark? So this was a punch. So here's the punch. And that's how I made my stencil. So, pounce, 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 pounce and ink, pounce and ink. Sounds like a new word. Pounce and ink, pounce and ink, pounce and ink, ink, pounce, ink, pounce, ink, pounce. Bum 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 bum. That looked pretty. So you could do that with this one. You could just put it back on here where it was. So even kids could do this because, you know, you just take the paper, take your favorite punch, and punch your punch, and then you've got your stencil. And you can even, if you want to, you could, you know, take your punch out item and make an opposite type of stencil. So you hold it like that and stamp around or pounce around it. So you want to hold it. I know it's a little dark in here, isn't it? Forgot to turn on my overhead, sorry. So you want to hold that. So there's an opposite stencil. So you can do that. Let me go turn on my other lights and you can kind of see better. go. So hold it again. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. The only thing is if you got a other stencil over here, you can't distinguish between the two unless you do one lighter than the other. Oops. So you could do that. You could just do it lighter than the other. That way you'll be able to distinguish from the two. Now this one that is kind of, you know, like blending out, I guess that you would want to say. You can put this back over the top and you can grab yourself a pencil. No, that pencil won't work. A pen. Oh, here, maybe this. Maybe I'll just use this. This is a pink. And hold down your petals and draw the distinction around the petal. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. So that way you have a little distinction going. A little distinction. And then you can also, the ones you punch out, you could layer on here too in a different spot and just kind of, you can glue it on there. Just shake my glue down. And you can glue that in a different spot. So then, well, I probably should have glued it up here, but that's okay. And then if you punch it out of a different paper, of course you can give it a different dimensional look. And then what you could do with this in your book, you could just, you know, darken the edges. You can even darken the edges with, I'm just going to rip that off, with dark ink if you like, you know, like a black or a brown or something like that. But I'm just keeping it like the same color, except for this, of course, with the glitter. There you go. Maybe a little bit more down there. And then the thing with this, well, I want to put the lid back on this. And then I have a little piece of Velcro here. So I just peel this off of this Velcro. Well, here. Just jump it off the page here. And stick this on here like that. And then I know it's that ink's little pad. And I got it all on my fingers anyway. So then I can put that up there and I can add whatever other pad goes with it. So then this is my Biggun again. We're going to open it up and we're going to find a page. So I've already done a lot. This is like a textured paper I put in there. And then here's a little card with, and you can have like a pocket here, and a pocket here. Sometimes people put pockets behind, but it doesn't look like I did that on this one, so I'm just going to use the middle pocket. And here's a little pocket here with a little card, and then here's another little pocket, and this one has a little book in it. Oh no, it doesn't. It has a playing card that needs something on it. So, and then this is a pocket one I did earlier on another video. But it's like 3 pockets. There's a pocket here. You open up this one. Oh, there's a pocket behind this. And then you open up this one. There's a pocket. One behind this. And you open up that. And there's a pocket in there. And then this is just a tuck, like a belly band tuck. So, that's cool. And then we have a little clip that I did with a little packet of fun stuff. And this is a little Velcro thing. I want to make more of these. I got some more envelopes. And then it opens up like that. And then there's a picture in here. So those would be fun to make some more. And this is just a tuck here, so you can tuck stuff behind it like that. And a pocket with stuff behind it. Another pocket. Ooh, this looks like a good page. You could just glue it. Santa Claus. It's funny, I wonder if that's the song that we sing at church. Oops, I dropped my glue. Something's going to fall off the table. So then you just stick that there. So I do have Happy Mail, and I do have other stuff that people have given me. And I thought I brought it in, and I don't see it here. I do apologize. I'll have to bring it in another day. Oh, here's Malia's. Well, here's the envelope anyway. And what's cool about envelopes? You know, you don't want to show, of course, the address that they mailed it in, but she gave me a really nice card and a bunch of little bling to go with it. And I don't know what it's around here. I have it. Let me just look here and see if I can find it. Oh, it's right here. So Malia gave me this beautiful card she made for Christmas. And, oh, it opens up like this. And then she gave me all these little ornaments. And then there's like a bow tie up there. All these little ornaments. Little die cut ones. Little maybe punches. And they're all really pretty. Look at this one. Looks like she did, you know, like a, what do you call it? A jelly plate. And then she gave me a napkin, a couple napkins. And they're really pretty, really neat things on them. So that was really nice to get that little package in the mail. So, but let me show you what you can do with, this is something Lisa showed me. And actually, I have one done. So let me show you the one that I did. Here's one that I did. And what you can do is you fold your envelope up like this. Oh, of course, it has her name right there. I'm just going to take it off here. So you fold your envelope up like this, and this is going to make a pocket here. And then you can, this one, I just did the one pocket. Well, actually, I didn't even put anything in it. So I did there's two pockets. So there's one up here, and then there's one here. But what you can do is you can cut this like this, and then cut this piece off here, and cut this piece off over here, and then you just cut down the fold, and then you've got your pocket here. So, and I would say I would fold it up a little bit higher, because you're going to cover this anyways, so that way you're getting a ending to the pocket there. And then put a little glue here. Come on, glue. Put a little glue there. And then a little glue here on the side. And then fold this up. And I got this from Lisa, but I think I've seen it other places too, so I don't know if she always claims she's not the original person. So and she has Lisa's what is it called? I forget hers. Journals Made Easy. Junk Journals Made Easy. I think that's what it is. So let's see here. We have a little stuff on there. And so there's a little pocket here. And then you can take this one and you can put a little piece of bling on it. Where's the bling? Where's the bling? You could make another pocket like up higher, like right here, and then have this pocket here. So I think I'm going to do that. So I think I'm going to use some of this paper. I think I'm going to take my Biggun down so that I won't get it messed up. And let's see here. Ooh, and she's already been kind enough to remove the backing. So that's kind of cool. So then just snip it up where you want to go. Now, I don't know if I want to do it that way or this way. So, like, with the feather. Let's do it this way. Because this is all feathers. I'm going to put this over here. And then glue this on here. So using my decoupage, put that on there. So another thing to do with napkins. So one of the things I've been thinking about is, I know I probably said this before, and finances really haven't been good for me. So I'm going to try and give everybody a little bit of Happy Mail going forward. I do have like postage stamps, so we'll see what I can send you. And it might be just little things, but sometimes it's fun to get the little stuff. So then we'll just set that over there to dry. And then I got this other piece. And I think that she gave me another napkin too. The other napkin she gave me was this one. And she gave me one was a paint splash. And let's see here. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and cut. So this is like this long. Just doing a little measurement. So there we go. Do a little brush on right here. If I do like Lisa, I don't need any moderators. I can just let YouTube be my moderator. And then I don't hurt people's feelings. Oops, sorry. Maybe I'll have to take that out. I don't like a lot of drama, but I guess life is about drama. So you just want to make sure that the stuff sticks and that it looks good enough for you. Good enough is okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, you want to make sure that you don't have any glue here, so it's, so it still remains a pocket. And then I'm going to wipe this off. It has the sticky Mod Podge on there. And, the other one's laying here. And then I'm going to cut this off here, around the edge. go. So then you have those two on there, and then she gave me another napkin, but it must have, I have had problems with my napkins. They're kind of all going away, I don't know. But let me see if I got another cool kind of looking napkin. This one's a kind of a cool one. And just cut that out. And I'm only going to cut the spot that I'm going to put on. Let's see here. So maybe I should measure it this way. So it's going to cut here. It's sticky on there. Yeah. So that'll fit on there. So, and you can use, you don't have to use napkin. You can use cardstock or whatever. I'm just doing a thing right now where seeing what you can do with napkins, you know. You don't have to always use it as a book page. I mean, you can use it in so many different ways. I know this thing is not moving. So a way to get this off is to find a piece of tape, and I have a ton of washi tape, so find an edge. Probably could have got one over there, but and then just put the washi tape on to the back of this and then pull it off. That didn't work. It's not sticky enough. Let me try this one. There we go. That was a more sticky one. So then it separates the little white part from the napkin. So then I'm just going to get another little bit of Mod Podge and put it on here, even though that's kind of sticky. And we're going to do this one on both sides. I don't know. I think I made this a belly band. I might have to just, I don't know. How am I going to do that? Yeah, well. So then we're just going to stick this on top of there. And we're going to pull it up a little bit because it's kind of covering the hole where you're going to stick stuff in. My hands are starting to shake. I need more coffee. So in Tacoma, we're supposed to get a really big storm. It's crazy. Oh, and I don't know if I told everybody, but my friend who was sick with cancer, they got it all. And she's going to be better. I've been like so stressed with, you know, her being sick and then having a funeral recently. I haven't really been myself. So if I've hurt anybody's feelings, I apologize. So, anyways. So this has my address on it. So if you want to send me anything, you know, come back to this email. Send me something. I like mail. even though I have an abundance of things to mail all of you. All right, there we go. So then that needs to dry, and then that'll be a little, that's one way to do it, but I'm going to probably put glue down here so that this will make it a pocket, and then there's a pocket here, and then of course you'll have your pocket here. So I have a couple different ones that I've made over the years. Let me see if I can locate another one. Well, that wasn't it. That was part of a book. So I've got some in my books. Let me see if there's one in here. Nope, there's not one in this one. But I do have one in my Biggun already. Let me see. I'm going to set this over here, out of the way. Boy, those clouds are looking dark. And then I'm going to open this up. I'm going to show you. I think I've made them in the past. Yeah, here's one right here. So it has a pocket here. This goes in here like this, and then it has a pocket here. And then I tucked something behind there too. So there's one there. Let me see if I have another one. I just like making those things, you know. I'm probably going to add lace to that too, because I love doing the lace thing. Oh, here's the pockets that we made with yeah, never think of the names never pop up when I need them to. Pam with Abos, yeah. Okay, there's that. And these I learned through Crafting Mamas, how to make these pockets. And also these are Crafting Mamas, or even Gail Agostinelli. That's Crafting Mamas. And this, oh, if this was a flip, it'd be Gail Agostinelli. I don't know if I say her name right. There's one little tuck spot there. Little tuck spot there. Or, yeah. Anyways, I guess I don't have another one. Oh, but look. Oh, look at this one. Did you see that? I need to make another one of those. I like that one. I like it with the doily as a tuck spot. I think I might make some hanging things. I like this one. Oh, but here's one that I need to glue in. This is one I made a while back. Let's see. There's room back here. It almost would have to be a side one. A side. It's a side. Or it could go in the back. No, it won't fit in the back either. I'd have to cut it. And see, there's a pocket here. And then there's a pocket here. So, and those are made with little doilies. So I'm going to go back this way. And I think I might just glue it to this. Maybe as a belly band. I wish I would have done the pockets this way, though. Or maybe I'll do a flip out and add it to it. I don't know. Anyways, well, thank you. It was a pleasure showing you my ideas today, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. And I'll put it in later. Bye.